ka Ministry of Food Processing Industries kala Pynlong Jingialang khmih bniah Halor ka Pradhan Mantri Formalisation of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Skhim Vivanta Shillong bala ïashim bynta daki he ophisar ki nongioh jingmyntoi bat ki nongiadon bynta hakani ka jing'ialang la khmih halor ka jingiaid jong Skhim ka jingkyrshan jingeh bat banwat lat wat lynti kumno ban pynkhlain ka jingpyntreikam kani ka Skhim ka jingkyrshan ru ikikar khanaren ba Pynmih marbam lingba ka jingbeit ka jinghikai bat ban Kyntiew ki nongsenggam la jong.
Meghalaya is, one of the most forward-looking states, if I can say so. There are challenges in terms of sourcing applications because it is a bit difficult to motivate and encourage people to apply for, entrepreneurship and taking loans. But I think the entire team is making very good efforts. And we have discussed that, what changes we need to make so that, we can encourage more people to apply and, under the scheme and take advantage. We want to build a culture of entrepreneurship in Meghalaya, especially because we are from agro-food sector. This is the strength of a state like Meghalaya, where horticulture products are very good and a very good quality. So this is where the state can with a lot of value addition, with a lot of enterprise and innovation, they can make products not only for the state and neighboring state but even for the bigger markets outside, in India and abroad also. So I think we have discussed the various aspects of the scheme, but the basic idea is that we want to promote enterprise in this sector and what are the different ways we can do it.